How do bees communicate through dance? The significance of the waggle dance. Bees use a unique form of communication called the waggle dance to share information about food sources. This dance involves a series of movements, including a waggle, or shaking motion, which indicates the direction and distance of a nectar source relative to the sun and hive. How the waggle dance works. During the waggle dance, a bee moves in a figure-8 pattern, with the straight section of the figure-8 showing the direction of the food relative to the sun. The duration of the waggle phase corresponds to the distance the food source is from the hive, helping other bees understand how far they need to travel. The role of the angle in the dance. The angle at which the bee performs the waggle dance is crucial. The dance's angle relative to the vertical hive surface directly correlates to the angle of the food source from the sun. For example, if the bee dances at a 90-degree angle from vertical, the food source is 90 degrees to the left of the sun. How bees adjust their dance for distance. The length of the waggle phase, where the bee shakes its body, indicates the distance to the food source. A longer waggle phase means the food is farther away, while a shorter waggle phase signals that the food source is closer. This precise movement helps foragers locate food with accuracy. The role of pheromones in the dance. In addition to visual cues, bees also communicate using pheromones. When a bee performs the waggle dance, it releases specific pheromones that enhance the message. These chemical signals attract other bees to the dancer, allowing them to follow the indicated direction and search for food sources. The effect of the hive's temperature on the dance. Temperature and other environmental factors can influence the accuracy of the waggle dance. Research shows that warmer temperatures can lead to faster dances, whereas colder conditions may result in slower movements. This variation helps the colony adjust based on seasonal conditions and environmental changes. How the dance communicates to the hive. The bees watching the dance can interpret the information by observing both the direction and the speed of the movements. After the dance, bees that have received the information will leave the hive, fly in the direction indicated, and search for the food source based on the distance and angle shown. The importance of the dance in colony survival. This dance plays a crucial role in ensuring the survival of the hive. By sharing information efficiently, bees can quickly locate and collect food, which is vital for the colony's health and growth. It allows the hive to maintain its resources and thrive, especially during times when food is scarce. The evolution of the waggle dance. The waggle dance is an example of how bees have evolved highly sophisticated forms of communication. It demonstrates the intricate social structures of bee colonies and how animals can develop complex behaviors to maximize survival, coordination, and resource gathering within their ecosystems. Bee communication and human fascination. The waggle dance has long fascinated scientists and researchers, highlighting the complexity of nonverbal communication in nature. Understanding how bees communicate through dance gives us insight into the intelligence of insects and the importance of these creatures to our ecosystems, particularly in pollination.